Hey, what's going on, guys? I was out here taking pictures of this new used unit that just came in probably a couple days ago, and I absolutely love the floor plan. I think it's very spacious, the ceilings are tall, and I think you guys are going to love it too. There's just some features about it that I've never seen before in a camper. So this is a 2018 37 WB Wildcat by Forest River. Giving you a quick outside tour first. Just below your front cap, you have a place for your battery, and you can use this for some additional storage. Two very large propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. And you have some pass-through storage as well for more camping gear to fit into. You also have your cable hookup and power in your pass-through storage, as well as power here on the outside. So you probably could set a TV up in here if you would like, or just charge your electronics while you're relaxing outside. You have two slide outs here on your camping side, and they do have slide toppers to just help protect your slide outs from weather conditions, even just sticks and stuff getting stuck into your slide. Bluetooth capable outside speakers, and with this slide out right here you have two power awnings, which is really nice, so you can relax under a lot of shade. And then here is your main entrance with the oversized grab handle and solid steps. Moving along towards the back, you have a spare tire that has a really adorable cover on it, and a ladder to climb up and keep up on your roof, and slide out maintenance, slide topper maintenance, all of that fun stuff. And then of course your sewer outlet connection. It's nice that they have those labeled, so you aren't sticking your head all the way under. You can just peek at the labels and see where you need to go. Another sewer outlet connection. And then you have your wastewater holding tank, another one, freshwater drain, all of that stuff. And then this is the other side of your pass-through storage where you have all of your battery disconnect, all of your other connections. So now let's take a peek at the inside. All right, so coming all the way to the front first, we have our master bedroom. I'm not sure what size mattress this is. It looks like a king to me. You can lift up the mattress for some additional storage, even have a couple cabinets up above. Love the headboard too. I think it's really awesome. And then all the way at the front, we have this huge wardrobe mirror panel for the main portion of your wardrobe. Clothes rack extends all the way across, and you have built-in shelves everywhere in there. Even like a shoe rack type of thing, or a bench. You can use that for whichever. And this is also a spot where you are prepped for your washer and dryer unit on either side. And then at the end of your bed, I thought this was really adorable. There's almost like a love seat, kind of like a nook place to read a book, hide from your kids, or just a spot to relax and drink your coffee in the morning. And you have this huge window for a nice view. And then just next to that, you have some countertop space for a TV, because you have all of your hookups and stuff here on the left. Couple drawers as well. Probably could use this for a vanity too if you would like. And then in this hallway space, you have, let's see if I can go on the other side, more closet storage space, built-in clothes rack. You can use this too, maybe for some extra bathroom storage. And then just behind me, we have our bathroom. Very large sit-down shower with the removable shower head. Skylight is up above, so there's a lot of natural light coming in. And then, of course, you have your vent fan too. And then next to your shower is more storage for your towels and linens. Same thing down below. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Got a few hooks for your towels and whatnots. And then across from your toilet is your sink. Extra countertop space, open shelving. Probably could put some decorations there. Storage below your sink. And then you have power, toothbrush holder and soap holder. And then we have our medicine cabinet. So, I'm gonna close this. Coming into the main portion of our camper, I love the steps. I love that they are on the opposite side, because normally you see them on your camping side, and I feel like there's so much traffic, especially when you get to your camp spot, people running in and out, placing their items everywhere. But the fact that it's here on the opposite side, there's just less traffic and running into people, at least I think. All of this storage is right next to your main entrance. You can put anything and everything in here. To the left, which is the one that I opened, has all of your control panels for your awnings and slide outs and stuff. And And there's just a lot of extra storage in here. Hooks in there. And it goes all the way up to your ceiling. This is where you can access those outside speakers to connect your phone. And then behind me into the main portion of our camper, this is a rear kitchen coach, which is one of my favorites. It opens up the space even more. Behind your railing, you have your theater reclining seats, very comfortable in plush leather material, built-in cup holders, and some remote control storage, or you can put some snacks in there. Diagonal from that is your sleeper sofa. So this will fold out into a sleeping spot for your kids or guests. And with how much space is in this camper, and I mean this thing is very, very wide. It's really awesome. When it's in that sleeping position, I guarantee that you have a lot of access to get to the kitchen while someone else is trying to sleep in. Across from there, we have our freestanding dinettes, and it's not completely tucked away in a corner. You have a lot of walking space on either side, which is something that's different. And here in your corner, you have all of these really tall windows too for some more natural light coming in. Great view, awesome spot for your family dinners or even card game, board game nights. I just really like this space. At an angle is your TV entertainment center. You got your fireplace down below. Furrion system to access those inside speakers, DVD, radio, all of that fun stuff. And this is on a swivel, so you can pretty much see it from your kitchen, coming down from your steps or any of the sitting spots, you know, dinette or theater seats and sofa. Storage space is up above, and then coming into our kitchen. Pantry space is next to that, and it goes back very, very far, so you can fit lots of canned goods in there, chips, other snacks. Stainless steel refrigerator with 2 freezer drawers, which is pretty cool. More cabinet storage up above. Then you got your 3-burner stove top with this glass cover. And when this is down in its glass, or I guess just covered position, when your burners are nice and cool, you can use it for some extra countertop space. And then your stainless steel oven. More storage down below. Power here built into the base of your kitchen cabinets, so you can plug in small appliances if you need to. And then you have a residential size stainless steel microwave. More cabinets up above. I'll show you what that looks like. Love the hardware too, it's really cool. More countertop space here back in the corner, and another outlet is built kind of tuckly hidden away underneath this cabinet too. Window for a nice view, and another tall one here to the right of it. And then we have our, let's see if I can do this with one hand, 50-50 split stainless steel sink with your matching solid surface countertop sink covers. And then all of the storage down below, even running along this kind of island space, but 4 drawers right there. More countertop space, and you probably could get a couple bar stools and use this for a great spot to eat breakfast, maybe even get some work done, pretty much anything that you want. More power outlets, but that is it for this Wildcat. I just love the whole look of it. The ceilings are tall, it's very wide and spacious. It's great for entertaining and just having your friends and family enjoy camping with you and going on adventures. If you have questions or concerns about this coach, feel free to let us know and we will be happy to help.